What's up, guys? It's Grant, Superior Steers, and wanted to jump on here and show you. Couldn't be happier about this whole thing. I've been working on this truck. Ryan has done a phenomenal job on it. The whole team really has. We've done as much as we can in-house, and then we finally got the final touches done out of house. And here is what we're looking at now. So this bad boy is the dually truck. It's got an 8.1 gas engine inside, and this is the final piece to it. What we were able to do is get everything done beautification wise and then build out wise. So we've got two high pressure hoses here, one being a hot water, one being a cold water. Then we have two soft wash systems here. So soft wash being these 200 feet of hose on each of these, and then pop open in here. These are soft wash pumps. So we're doing Rimco. These are the fat boys, and they are powerful. So you'll get like 30-40 feet of spray out of these things, 7 gallon a minute. We got our manifolds in here, and then let's see if we can look at this one. I remember what we have in here. This one is where we have the batteries to power them. So we do the Noco Genius in here, and then Ryan installed the outlet here, so it charges. You just charge it up each night, basically. So super convenient, super easy to use, all protected in there. 8 gallons here. This is for, we also offer window cleaning. So we put our units back here and then tie them down, and then able to roll with these. Big boy surface cleaner up here. Intake hose, we got like 200 feet here. We got our SH tank here. So it's like a 65 gallon, which is good. Sometimes we got to fill it like daily now. Ladders 28 and 22 foot there. And then our hot water system. We just finished getting this new signage. What do you think? Superior Steers Cleaning Company. All of our stuff on there. QR code works. You can scan that bad boy. It'll take you right to the website. Boom. And then it has our services and phone number. Just easy, prominent. And so that's what we have. This thing is ready. I mean, this is the money maker right here. I absolutely love it. Couldn't be happier about it. This is the final product on it. So when we're parked next to a house, you're on the right side of the road, so you can see all that. But that's what we're running with. That's the dually system. And then of course you got my truck, and then the other Silverado, and then of course the trailer back here. Trailer's great. This is a wonderful tool that we have. We run with this thing daily, and now the dually beast is going to be running daily too. So absolutely love this thing. Hope you've enjoyed watching this. Let me know if you have any questions or anything on it. Ryan built this thing. He's much more knowledgeable than I am about this, but happy to answer any questions you may have on building your own system. See you on the next video, y'all.